How to see a report of all the voids or refunds on Enterprise. Navigate to Reporting, then select Reports. Under Sales Reports, you will find the Sales Exception Reports. Click on this and select the node or branch and date range as desired. Then click Generate. Once the report is generated, it can be downloaded or viewed by clicking this icon in the top right of the screen. Alternatively, you are able to edit your dashboard page with a widget of the POS exceptions for a quick view of the report. To do this, you can navigate to the dashboard screen in Enterprise by clicking on the house icon to the top right of the screen. Once on the dashboard, click on the three dots to the top left of the screen. Select Edit Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Select POS Exceptions. Click Submit. Drag to where you want it displayed on the dashboard. Click the tick icon to save.